For this week's science experiment, I'm going to be testing the compostability of a snack bar wrapper. Impact Snacks makes a bar that actually has a wrapper composed of a soy-based cellulose, which is a bioplastic a bit different from other traditional bioplastics that are made from either wood or corn. We're going to test out its compostability compared to a traditional bar wrapper right here in the backyard using some good old plastic yogurt containers. So follow along step by step as I show you how to set up the experiment, and let's see what happens.
The first wrapper is made from a soy-based cellulose. The second is a plastic aluminum layered wrapper. To compare the backyard compostability of the two wrappers, I'll create 3 mini compost buckets by drilling holes in the bottoms and lids of plastic yogurt tubs to allow oxygen to flow through each container. Each container will get a layer of soil to supply microbes, then a layer of browns or carbon source, and then a layer of greens or food scraps as our nitrogen source. Cut up the labels, add an extra layer of soil, and then add the lid, and shake, shake, shake. Here's the second wrapper. We'll do the same thing. And then our control bucket with no wrapper. I'm burying each container in the soil because here it's wintertime in Pennsylvania to try and keep the temperature consistent. And now we wait.